na me do Barcelona.
Okay.
And ti china ne beza me share bibi shemo ni munyam. Se me domo. Ti china no awose me share me Barça jersey.
Okay.
Na me chire wiase na se enyema no fafa keke. Me nyini no aside Manchester no team ba ko me nyini ya me bedo Barcelona.
Okay.
Ti mo na mon page cinema me so.
Oh, thank you can come baby.
Oh nyawe me program team no akọ.
Okay. No problem.
Full support.
Oh, support the you hear me.
Support.
You hear me to so support here.
Full support.
Yeah, bejo come. Yeah, bejo come. Which what about so the media? I wasn't expecting Boba or some Baba say Barcelona party in our company or that be.
Okay.
But my share game never 3 times. It was too easy. It was too easy. Boba for normal way performance in Yakra. There was no scare beyond from them. Barcelona just went route. Lewandowski, Ferran Torres, 2 goals, and a Fermin Lopez. And so Edebako Ekaho, the company. Barcelona intensity was very okay. So I share me for this now almost 30 game now. There were pressure on the ball in the BBR. Gerard Martinez started as a left-sided center half, but there was no problem because again Barcelona were not tested giddy game. And I mean, it was a Barcelona team and a company back. Now almost expect say almost fashion and it ended very well for them. 4-0 there. Ultimately and Kamoshi. You know the company lights and whole celebration say we are back to the famous company our Catalan was an occasion ending war for club here friend Barcelona. But the Barcelona back to company any results of Munya against Bilbao ACP and the 2 Real Madrid El Chino. Rich Real Madrid line up in the Bayern. No more but 3 back. Because there was both Fran Garcia, Alvaro Carreras, Ebo. It gives you an indication. And at the same time, no, Dean Housen, Ebo game nibi, and I say so. Then there was Trent Alexander-Arnold too in the lineup. And you could clearly see say Asensio, Dean Housen, Carreras, 3 back. Fran Garcia, left wing back. Trent Alexander-Arnold, right wing back, and now Madrid edible game. But the Rich, Madrid have the quality to score 2 goals against Elche. But to me, the amount Madrid conceded 2 goals at a moment in the game. Aye, me catch you. So what should Madrid team miss see idea? They no one else such your money plan. But I say Madrid will struggle. Rich, you reach your money if you Madrid team anymore. How many BNB are no. And the end game look at their midfield. Omobo Danny Ceballos and Omobo Adam Goulet with Jude Bellingham. These 3 players without the ball, Obi said Jude, Obama work ethics, no. But Rich, DM Blue Bono. A sacrificial job. You need to be at the right place at the right time. You need to be intelligent about to take the balance. Madrid lacked that. And see, even when Xabi Alonso decided so, or the Camavinga by in the second half, no one has so good, defensively good, you know. The game was already gone. And then Real Madrid enter me and ya win no and fix our game. There is pressure on Alonso. Rich 3 games in on far away. Or lose to Liverpool or Bordeaux to wherever I can, and now Bordeaux to Elche.
And Barça close gap.
It's like 1 point. See, there's a little bit of pressure on Uriah friend Xabi Alonso. Real Madrid now it's 32-31 on the Spanish La Liga. Rich, me kai Saturday anopa no me kan Loud FM say for the last 3 seasons ekuya for me the best team in Italy Inter. But Rich, in the derby omo ntimi AC Milan. I don't know why. Even the great Inzaghi no one ntimi share AC Milan in the derby. No, I had brought 3-3 but AC was sneaking some wins. And without Inzaghi, Shiguaba, still now the same thing, Rich. In a derby, Inter home, I was San Siro, no. Rich, Christian Pulisic said, and you go with him 1-0 on the court. Now, I need to see you game, Rich. Minimum how Carlo Befa this year. Marriage Inter penalty 74th minute Carlo Buko say penalty. Or say penalty now 4 minutes later. Now she will say better bench not pure Zielinski Kobo. You could clearly see an intelligence penalty no say no. And you coach did there. And you know. But the bottom line is that Rich, since you are in the derby, no, team I friend AC Milan, though Omun dominating Italian Serie A, no, any Italian football like Inter and say no, but Omusia, the derby games are Omu Entuka. Now, Rich, we say game you know. Then live score is giving us a perspective here, and you're quite worried. So you Inter Milan fan again. Within their same dominance, Rich, in the last 11 games of Omabo, either against AC Milan, either against Tima, your friend Napoli, any Juventus, intentimation. How big nonsense are we doing in the and kind of big games, you will be able to big. But in 11 games against Napoli, Juve, AC, Inter, any win. That is very, very worrying for Tima, your friend Inter Milan, Ewo Honum. Now, do you know the reason why Bukayo Saka and Eze F3 in this picture that complements the English Premier League table? No, Rich, this weekend, Nhyira Koso, papa. Of course, you have to start with Liverpool. Statistics say since 1965, Rich, Liverpool and Lucy back-to-back 3-0 da 65 ton. See, that is how bad Liverpool situation is here. You see, Semitier and a slot, sir. Rich, he doesn't even seem to know what the problem is. And just as you were saying, ultimately doesn't Liverpool players. You can say that. Now, football, no, which sometimes it doesn't follow script. And Yejuma as analysts, because even when you want to put meaning to be there, which it doesn't even make sense. Let me ask you this. And as well to buy Liverpool the first season of the league.
Yeah.
Formidable performance. With a team, na club and why women full now go from so Liverpool are going to go through some transition after club. Now, Rich, what do you need? And you are spending over 400 million and beefing up with the amount, and you are struggling. Does it make sense? It doesn't. But the only thing over free puzzling and say probably in their spending, no. Yes, they left some holes and was spending them. Look at how Arsenal so be from no be bar. The gap between the quality of the backup, no. But in the Liverpool team, Rich, even if they want to be dynamic, the only dynamic in the Liverpool team, I said, only Iketike can't Isaac. But say Liverpool both game or moment for the Liverpool on own pay. You can't change it. What's the sound? What the Curtis Jones, both 6, and now what the end of what time In fact,
and the man Liverpool as some no Nick can cry be say it wasn't a wholesale change. We were team now. And you 1 or 2 be near the one.
Yes. And your money don't make one out. It's supposed to take the team to them. Yes, next level. Yes.
It's not Sankebia. Yeah, can and wholesale change be there because
maybe I
feel familiarities near the intino. But there's a Liverpool team. I order that.
I feel be a sign. Rich, me
conclusion
kakra so say Rich. I think say last time the kind yesterday season, you know, when Liverpool had the league now go for your prediction for top 4. And go for they were predicting Liverpool will win the league. Me the anybody Liverpool not top. Remember, I can't say my only reason and say, which in the Premier League era, it has taken only 2 coaches to defend the Premier League. And the rest of our coaches, you know, Omumudura and Aslot in Tessa. And there seems to be the defending champion case in the Premier League. It takes only Pep Money Fegino to break Sadio and Aslot in and that is what is happening to him. With the Premier League now, which following season, so when you be on 9 grounded pass, don't be a boa, over doing 1 tiasie. Now, I didn't see an Aslot, Rich. Even with the evidence of the Eketike Aye in the beginning of the season, every season, he is still not his number 1 striker.
Me Ayala, me feel says can the toys akna.
Rich.
Because on terms the case is in Koto striker.
Rich, but
and striker no is not a striker biake kese Isaka last season. I don't know a joint ana.
Yeah, but
joint goal scorer.
It's the okay na.
The head and the
Rich, Eketike no on your fool. It wasn't cheap. Honestly, no on your fool. And the price gap no. And you be a one be number 2. Say the money na number 2. Why na Emma numbers a chess on no deserve so more? That is where the concentration must be. At the end of the day, Rich, and then go for you sack slot. Who are you talking about? Alexander Isak and his price. Nobody is talking about it. If you are able to get results, even with player, 1 kotorumpa. So 1 tono of the academy pay the buy. Let's say, on the bit normal results. You play him and get your results. Minim the oh yes stubborn. What do you say, Rich? Liverpool play a BN or Makotona or buy in the first 4 starts in the Premier League losing against Alexander Isak. The first 4 starts defeating Koa and Abranti and Enya against Crystal Palace, against Chelsea, against Manchester United, against Nottingham Forest. Abranti and Elusu. Now this is more worrying. Rich, since able so far, Arsenal are conceded 6 goals. Man City are conceded 10. Rich, team 2, which is Arsenal, Man City. Goals of my conceded Bomwa, you get 16. Liverpool conceded 20. To are conceding more than a combined goals are Arsenal, any team of Manchester City are conceding. That is not good enough. Saturday, many people were skeptical to predict Man City win. And we were telling people, say, so game next year, they should go for goals. Rich, I think that let's say why we were saying that. The intensity at St. James, marvelous. The game was crazy. Now, you go game from the 63rd minute to the 69th minute, Rich. Me about game I want 3 goals in here. Yes, we do too. So we can say a broader analysis. There were some chances for 4 and more. They were supposed to finish it off. And some point Newcastle about game. But Rich, that is how football is. Only a chance that will say now. No one does not what did you give because at any prep you know say you are going to lose. 63rd minute of the Barça 67th Diaz Ateca. 69th have been assassin game. Crazy game within a short time. Now the controversy in Rich. Have been second goal. And it comes with this offside call. Which I disagree with the VAR. And it's semi-automated now.
So much go.
Yes. Look at where they are saying, say, Diaz is playing Harvey Barnes onside. No. They are talking, yes, they are talking about, but Rich, on a normal circumstance, what's our part now? Any foul. And you say in the outside rule, any part of your body, any legitimate, I want to be functional, and Yanka outside rule. No. And to the money line, the 2 years say, I want to play Harvey Barnes offside. No, I want to answer, you will take a foul against Ruben Diaz. And any legitimate part of his body, and they keep your bench onside. No, and sometimes these people and the way they interpret, but look, we are a friend of Eddie Howe will not mind. 19 attempts against Pep, which not a real win. When you're the first win against Pep Guardiola. Okodio on Okokran. Me catch you Saturday and say Chelsea was struggle kakra and some of us settle in the game because they had more players going to the international break, but team and friend Bali will not get it. Now, Rich, I agree with Fifi on this point. The reason why and football now, Rich, we have come to a point where football, it is determined within some short time moments in getting you. Tell me a starting game. The first 20 minutes now, Burnley boy. Which the reason why they couldn't score Chelsea was because of this man called Andre Santos. And at a point, Mr. Commentator Neka say, Andre Santos 6-0 about Chelsea. No. And you say, Abia. Or pussy Chelsea team who could have say Chelsea were building attack. But Saturday do the duration at Chelsea are under pressure. Some confoundable the final pass no money pay me behind. Not Andre Santos either or intercept it and answer or your clearance. And to which or your 4 interceptions, 4 clearance, and they were so crucial. Say that was the time Chelsea were bidding to settle. Chelsea just settled game. That pass from Gatins, any the way Pedro Neto, every defense echo connected ball. Me can say Chelsea team, he is the most dangerous player.
Neto,
I'm telling you, Rich. Only one boss there be heavy. Or better watch him stay be heavy, and he's always showing up and calling for the ball. I love players which says, Rich, look at the last 5 matches. The only match I one contributed goal was against Tottenham Hotspur. 1 goal barely, 1 goal was assist in the game against Sunderland, a goal and assist in the games against Forest. Barcelona should watch out for Abrantia. Your friend to China. He is everyone to go to. Now,
never wrap it up.
Yeah, wrap it up, no, Rich.
That one's a bit bad. I don't go anymore.
Rich,
a defender pa.
What do you say?
Oh,
imagine who I'm in Tiasia why Twanzebe did that. Because and you're so fundamental say, Rich, you're trying defending even at coast El Ghana. The first assignment in any say, so who tackle attacker, always make sure you are standing on this no foot now a year strong.
Yeah.
Now, you're possible Madrid. Boy is a right-footed player. Anyone in the body now on the left foot. Look, who is defender Waba? Why are you standing on his left foot? Come and stand on his right. Man, impossible onto the left. I want we can't be find your way. But he kept standing on the left foot now, and I went turning the right and turn him into the box and gave the assist for Brantia. Your friend Enzo Fernandez to score. Rich, I think it's a chance for early kickoff now. Because almost on last 8 Saturday 12:30 games it's probably they should be giving more of the early kickoffs. You know. Look, Arsenal or say Tottenham the explanation be anyhow. Explanation and say football gave another moment for a nice story to be written. As they are called Arsenal Academy at a young age, almost only good enough. Abanti no extra picture of time at Arsenal. And what they are combining them say, me Arsenal, so I don't know what the year woman grab them. One day I will write a story. I will say, look, the services you know take you on me, I am wrong. Rich Amantina Konam Crystal Palace. When you are a mature player. Or could the rivals to Arsenal in Tottenham when you bonus? Then Arsenal comes back and say, oh, ora, they say, okay, what the Kaoni here, Jumada. Sabra back, also okay. You unfinished business, you are to remember back. Rich, Obaya, the first game against that rival and call joining, Wabo hat trick. Okay. That is a nice story for Ebrechi as any Arsenal game now. AC Echo. That is how I normal AC Echo. And I'm going to say,
oh, we did. Boko.
Hey.
2-0.
Say
2-0.
2-0.
Now referee I go to know the about in the banner.
Well.
Any of them ways.
Which the last time I'm about to buy a match in 2-2. Means okay.
More as they say any boy.
It's most of the crowd more case. Okay.
It's just a matter of phone call.
Oh, okay.
Open you Beffy. So what's in common and young Casabi. More as Beffy.
Now, most of my Manchester United.
Oh, your boy,
Hey,
your boy, no.
Monsieur, and a Monday, 2 course winner. If I check your body, 2 course. And make sure that I am meeting me about so now. May they am our social media handles on so.
Okay.
On sa ebet me aka. First one BW 23683ADE. BW 23683ADE. And the last one no BW 23685D97. Nti ofa na watimi ede akwakoye de ewose otimi ede ekoye.
Yebefie na ye de fisem no atom so the only condition that will make me accept that Arsenal will win the EPL is when they meet Chelsea and extend the league.